Welcome back to Thank Channel. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to share something truly unique with you all. Behind me, you see this incredible machine. It might look like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it's actually a powerful piece of farm equipment. Doesn't it look like it could be a starship on a mission with its 4 rotors spinning in perfect sync? There's something mesmerizing about this setup. The rake arms fan out like a starship's wings, each rotor spinning with purpose as it glides over the field. In a way, it feels like a futuristic machine more than a piece of farm equipment, with its sweeping symmetry and the precision of its movement. The 4 rotors could easily be crew members, each with a distinct role, working in perfect harmony to complete the task at hand. Watching it in action is like witnessing a delicate dance. Every turn of the rake is calculated, every movement exact, and the field it leaves behind is a testament to that precision. It's almost as if the machine is crafting a piece of artwork across the landscape, row by row, turning simple hay raking into something grand and deliberate. And maybe that's part of why I love this so much. It's practical, but there's a beauty to it too. This machinery isn't just about functionality, it brings with it a sense of power and purpose, of transforming the land and bringing order to nature. It's the kind of equipment that lets you feel like a pilot on a mission, and for a moment, that field becomes your runway. Isn't it incredible how farming equipment can have that kind of effect? See you in next video. Thanks you for watching my channel. I hope you enjoy it.